Good day everyone. My name is Kenneth P. Laria, and today I will discuss the Microsoft Google Sheet. So, what is the Google Sheet? Google Sheet is a web-based application that enables users to create, update, and modify spreadsheets and share the data online in real time. And also, Google product offers typical spreadsheet features such as the ability to add, delete, and sort rows and columns. So the Google Sheet is cloud-based spreadsheet program developed by Google. It offers functionalities similar to Microsoft Excel, allowing users to create, edit, and collaborate on a spreadsheet online. User can input data, perform calculation, create charts, and share their spreadsheet with others in real time. With its integration with Google Drive, Sheet allows for easy access and storage of a spreadsheet, making it popular choice for both personal and professional issue. And also, Google Sheet is cloud-based with application that is often compared to Microsoft Excel while it can make collaboration easy and provides many of the core spreadsheet functions of Excel. It is less ideal when specialized functions are needed. That's all. Thank you and God bless.